Look at these beauties. Right off the bat, you can see how clean and sleek this colorway is. The white leather base combined with those soft pink accents gives it that perfect mix of luxury and streetwear. Now let's break down the materials. The upper is crafted from premium smooth leather, and you can tell the quality is top tier. Off-White never compromises when it comes to craftsmanship. The stitching is precise, and the overlay panels add some nice depth to the design. On the side, we've got the signature Off-White arrow logo in a pastel pink shade. It pops just enough to catch your attention without being too loud. And of course. Now, let's talk about comfort. The Off-White out-of-office sneakers are designed for all-day wear. Inside, you've got a padded collar and a cushioned insole that adds great support. Whether you're rocking these casually or flexing them at an event, they're built to keep your feet feeling good. Since the colorway is clean and soft, these can go with almost anything. You can pair them with jeans, joggers, or even a stylish tracksuit. The pink accents make them stand out just enough without being overpowering, so you can dress them up or down depending on the occasion. Overall, this pair is a must-have for sneaker lovers and Off-White fans. The design, the materials, and the small details all come together to make this a standout release. Rsnow.net is your go-to destination for high-quality replica sneakers at unbeatable prices. Whether you're looking for the latest Air Jordans, Balenciaga, Dior, or Asics, this website has a vast collection to choose from. With attention to detail and top-tier craftsmanship, Rsnow.net ensures that every pair of sneakers looks and feels just like the originals. When it comes to trust, Rsnow.net has earned a solid reputation among sneaker enthusiasts. You can find real customer reviews on Trustpilot, where buyers share their experiences and satisfaction with their purchases. This transparency proves that the website is legitimate, giving customers confidence when shopping for their favorite sneakers. Now, let's talk about the best part, our exclusive discount code. By using RSNOW at checkout, you get a 15% discount on your purchase. For example, these sneakers originally cost $144, but with the discount, you pay only $122.40. That's a fantastic deal for premium quality sneakers, and it's an offer you don't want to miss. Rsnow.net isn't just about selling shoes, it's about customer satisfaction. The support team is always available to assist with inquiries, ensuring a smooth shopping experience. Whether you have questions about sizing, shipping, or order tracking, their friendly and professional team is ready to help. That wraps up this unboxing. If you're looking for high-quality sneakers at the best prices, Rsnow.net is the place to shop. Don't forget to use RSNOW for 15% off your order. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing.